So if you're not leveraging AI to produce content, which, honestly, by now, you should, because you will be able to produce content like this one right here with featured images, right? All these done with AI, by the way. Tables of contents, interactive, key takeaways, internal links, in article images, in article videos that are relevant to the section they're included in. So they're relevant to the article as a whole, but also to the section in which they're included in more internal links. External links in article images, tables, that makes sense. More links, more in article images. Down here in FAQ section, also if I scheme through these ones, more there's down here a call to action to this business, and again, quotes, this is all done with AI. If you're not doing this, you're going to get left behind because, for example, let me tell you, if I'm a dog business owner or a dog grooming business owner, I can just go here and produce this content. I can just click here to post it straight to my WordPress site. And again, all these articles will have, like, as you see here, an in-article image, a table of contents, proper content structure, in-article relevant image to what the article is about, in-article relevant videos to what the content is about, internal links, so linking out to my homepage, another link, linking out to my contacts page, other links, linking out to other blog posts of mine that are relevant to what this blog post is about, bullets, tables, quotes, external links as well, so linking out to other authoritative sources in my niche. For example, if this article is about finance, linking out to TechWrench, or to Investopedia or Wikipedia, right? And also down here, a call to action to my product or service. So a whole paragraph that resumes the article as a whole and then drives people to buy my product or service. For example, if I were doing this for Shopify store, this article would be, for example, about an umbrella. And then you link out to the product down here, so all this done with AI. You can just schema through these, publish them one by one, or if I want to publish them all at once, click here, publish all, and all three will be published to my integration. But your integrations can be anything you want. If I go here, it can be WordPress, Shopify Ghost, Wix, Webflows, Blogger, even Zapier, or an external API. So you can essentially post all this now. If you want to automate the process, just click here to Auto Blogs. And what this does is, if you create a new auto blog here, you can essentially select how many articles you want to publish every single month, week, days, or every 12 or 6 hours. So essentially what you're doing is you're taking Journalist AI, you're connecting it with your website. Let's say this is your website, and every day, in this case, Journalist AI will generate and publish content for you. Also on top of that, Journalist AI also does the keyword research for you, and plus also indexes the content for you. Keyword research is pretty cool. Just go here to Keyword Monitors, click here, New Monitor, just add in your website, your country or language. I'll show you one right here. Let's do this, which is for my karting site. Again, add your URL, country, language, and this will take all information you put here plus your competitors' info, and we come up with a list of keywords that have low SEO difficulties that are easy in theory to rank for. And some decent, quite decent, essentially, monthly searches. So you can just click the ones you want to target and then have Journalist AI generate content based on these keywords and then automatically publish it to your site. It's pretty cool. Index the content, just click here, New Indexer, and just connect to Google Search Console. And now, how you do this, just go here to generate articles and you fill all this up, right? Do you want videos in your articles? Just enable this. Then do you want images? You want featured images? Yes. You want in-article images? Enable this. What type of images you want? You want stock photos, Google Images. You want to use your own custom images because you can upload your own images, your own branded images, and use them in your articles if you like, right? Or if you want to use AI-based images, you can just choose any of these three models. If you do choose AI images, you can play around with this and add prompts, right? You can make them hyper-realistic, cartonic black and white, Simpson style. I mean, you can play around with this whatever you like. Then, here is where we add your internal and external links. So again, in your article, there's going to have links inside of it, and you want to make sure that some of them are internal and some of them are external. You can play around with this. Now, structure, here's where you can enable all these sections, key takeaways, conclusion, FAQ. You can automate your headings, or you can do the headings manually if you like, and you can add as many as you want. You can also select the size of the article: small, medium, large. Again, you can play around with this and also add a call to action. So again, on the articles at the bottom, there's going to be a call to action section. So for example, this is an article about gardening that talks about gardening supplies down here. We're going to add a link to your Shopify store or your product page of your store that sells those same supplies. You do this by adding here your Shopify URL. Formatting. You can just bold words if you want. Knowledge is where you connect the AI to the internet to make sure that it produces up-to-date content. You can also connect it with your brand, so the content produced is brand tailored, using your own brand's images, your brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerism, so essentially, so that the content isn't just some generic AI stuff, it is brand tailored. Here in this tab, you can just select the language you want. You can select from over 150 different languages. Pretty powerful. You can select the creativity levels as well. This will depend on how you want your brand to be perceived. Change the tone of voice, change the point of view as well. And up here is the final thing. You can just select it generation mode. You want to generate the articles based on the description. You want to generate the articles based on keywords, based on titles, or based on the keyword research. In this case, the keyword monitor, which just saw before. Once that's done, you just select the articles you want, generate, click generate. Again, if you're not leveraging these AI tools, you're going to get left behind, because the people that do are able to produce content way faster. And it's not just about the speed at which you can produce content, it's about the velocity at which you can learn what works and what doesn't, right? And if you produce a lot of content, you're going to learn really fast. And what doesn't work, you're able to iterate faster and see, okay, Google likes this, let me produce more and more of this. So it's pretty cool. So that's it. Sign up for Journalist AI and create your amazing articles for free. Link is in video description and pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.